In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. Let's get started right inside your Mailchimp account. First, log in as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the section labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your email campaigns are listed. From your list of campaigns, locate the specific campaign where you want to place your buttons next to each other. On the right side of that campaigns row, you'll see an option to edit. Click the edit button. This will open a full preview of your campaign so you can see what your email currently looks like. On the right side of that preview, you'll notice an option that says Edit Design. Click Edit Design to open the email editor. This is where you'll be able to add, rearrange, and style all of your content blocks, including the buttons. Inside the editor, focus on the left panel. Here, you'll see different content blocks you can add, such as text, images, and special layout elements. Look for the option called Blank Columns. This allows you to create a multi-column layout, which is exactly what we need for side-by-side buttons. From the Blank Columns options, choose the layout that has 2 columns. Click and drag that 2-column block into your email and drop it exactly where you want your buttons to appear. Take a moment to make sure it's in the right spot in relation to your other content, like headings or images. Now, in the email preview area, you'll see a placeholder in each column with an Add Block button. Click Add Block in the first column, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Button. Repeat the same process for the second column. Click Add Block, then select Button again. You now have 2 separate button blocks sitting side by side. Click on each button to customize it using the settings in the left panel. Here you can change the button text, link, color, size, alignment, and any other available style options to match your brand and your email design. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Exit. That will save your changes and bring you back to the main campaign screen, with your side-by-side buttons now set up and ready to go.